Today, I'm diving into this lost wallet to see what hidden treasures or surprises I can find inside. I was at a thrift store the other day, just browsing through the racks, when I stumbled upon this old wallet. It was tucked away in a corner, almost like it was forgotten. I picked it up, and as I opened it, I realized it was filled with all sorts of interesting things. The wallet itself was worn out, with cracks and scratches all over it. It looked like it had been through a lot, and I couldn't help but wonder who it belonged to and what kind of stories it could tell. I decided right then and there that I had to take it home and dig through its contents. As I continued to explore the wallet, I found all sorts of receipts, tickets, and notes scattered throughout. It was like a time capsule, giving me a glimpse into the life of the person who lost it. Let's start by examining some of the more obvious clues. Inside the wallet, I found a bunch of receipts from a local coffee shop. It looks like the owner of the wallet was a regular there, judging by the number of stamps on their loyalty card. As I dug deeper, I found a ticket stub from a concert that took place a few years ago. I wonder if the owner of the wallet was a fan of the band, or if they just went to the concert with friends. There were also a few notes and reminders scribbled on scraps of paper. One of them mentions a meeting at 2 p.m., but it doesn't specify what the meeting was about or who it was with. I also found a bunch of old photos, which gave me a glimpse into the owner's personal life. There were pictures of family gatherings, vacations, and even a few photos of what looks like a beloved pet. As I continued to investigate the wallet, I started to piece together a timeline of the owner's life. It was fascinating to see how these little scraps of paper and forgotten items could tell such a rich story. But then, I stumbled upon something that completely caught me off guard. It was a letter, addressed to the owner of the wallet, and it was from someone who was clearly very close to them. As I read through the letter, I realized that it was a declaration of love. The person who wrote it was pouring their heart out, expressing their deepest feelings and fears. I have to admit, I got a little choked up reading this letter. It was so raw and honest, and it really made me think about the importance of human connection. The letter also made me wonder about the story behind it. Was the owner of the wallet in a relationship with the person who wrote it? Did they ever respond, or was the letter never sent? As I continued to read through the wallet's contents, I found more clues that hinted at a deeper story. There were more notes and letters, each one revealing a little more about the owner's life. It was amazing to see how much insight I could gain into someone's life just by examining the contents of their wallet. It was like getting a glimpse into their soul. But what really got me was the way the wallet made me think about my own life. I started wondering what kind of things I would leave behind if I lost my wallet. Would there be clues about my own relationships, my fears, and my dreams? The wallet also made me think about the importance of empathy and compassion. When we find something that belongs to someone else, we often just think about how we can get it back to them. But in this case, I realized that the wallet was more than just a lost item, it was a window into someone's life. As I wrap up this story, I want to reflect on the experience of discovering the wallet's contents. It was a real reminder that everything we own has a story to tell, and that even the smallest items can hold deep significance. The wallet may have started out as just a forgotten item, but it ended up being so much more than that. It was a lesson in empathy, compassion, and the importance of human connection. So, what do you guys think? Have you ever found a lost wallet or discovered something unexpected? Let me know in the comments below. If you found a lost wallet, what would you do with it? Would you try to return it to its owner, or would you keep it for yourself? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to check out my channel for more intriguing stories and surprises. Thanks for watching.